In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new contact in Clio Manage. Let's start by opening Clio Manage and signing in. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. We're going to head to your contact list so you can create a new entry quickly and accurately. Look to the left-hand navigation and click on Contacts. This takes you to a centralized place where all people and companies you work with are stored, making it easy to keep client and vendor information organized. At the top right corner of the Contacts page, click New Contact. This opens a clean form where you'll add the details for the contact you're creating. Before you type anything in, choose the contact type. You can select person if you're adding an individual, or company if you're adding a business. Think about how you plan to use the contact. For example, a client or opposing counsel is typically a person, while a vendor or corporate client might be a company. Choosing the right type helps with reporting and makes your contact list easier to navigate later. Now, enter the core information. For a person, fill in the first name and last name, along with an email address and a phone number. Keep your formatting consistent, especially for phone numbers, so searches work smoothly across your database. If you're adding a company, focus on the company name and include a general email or main phone line if applicable. As you type, take a quick moment to make sure the spelling is correct and that you're not duplicating someone who's already in your list. You can also add optional details to make the contact more useful. Consider including a company name for a person who works at a business, their physical address, and any notes that will help your team. Notes are great for context, such as preferred communication methods or intake details you want handy the next time someone looks up the contact. The more meaningful information you capture here, the less you'll need to hunt for it later. When everything looks good, click Save Contact. Clio will store the information and bring it into your contacts list. To verify that it worked, look for the new entry in the list, or use the search bar to find it by name. Open the contact to confirm the details display the way you expect. If you spot anything that needs a quick edit, you can update it right from the contact page. That's all there is to it. You've created a new contact in Clio Manage with clean details and helpful context your team can rely on. Thanks for watching.